Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Fanconi syndrome. Fanconi syndrome is a proximal renal tubular dysfunction. In Fanconi syndrome, there is decreased tubular absorption of the phosphate. Whenever there is decreased tubular absorption of phosphate seen in rickets, or there is decreased tubular absorption of bicarbonates, which can present as renal tubular acidosis, or there is decreased tubular absorption of glucose which presents as glycosuria, or there is decreased tubular absorption of amino acids which presents as aminoaciduria. Usually, this Fanconi syndrome is seen secondary to a genetic disorder, and this Fanconi syndrome is most commonly associated with cystinosis. Over
thank you and thank you for watching.